format hard disk partition, but you may also get like disk management. Then you are going to click on this option, and here you have new dialog box, like you have C drive and D drive. I will also show you in main window, like I have C drive and D drive, and we are going to take some space from D drive and take it to the C drive, but all the procedure is without software. Therefore you should see everything carefully. And we have like here disk management, and now we are going to take the file. For example, right now I will show you the properties of my D drive, or the drive which you are going to shrink. And here I have used space, it is 3 GB, and I have free space, it is 254 GB. Now the space which you are going to use, that one you should take the next drive, or which you are going to shrink, that it should be like used space or more than used space. It should not be less than used space, because we are going to take all our file from D drive and take it to the next drive. Therefore I have 3 GB, for example, and I will shrink that maybe 10 GB, and you will see the procedure. Now I will press OK, and we will come in disk management, right click on D drive here, and you have shrink volume, click on that one, and here you have like enter the amount of space in to shrink in MB. We have 124 MB, which is equal to 1 GB. You should calculate that 10 GB should be like, let me just show you in calculator, and we have calculator, and you are going to just multiply 1024 multiplied by 10, and it is like 10 to 240, and I will just take the 10 to 40, and I am taking or making new drive with 10 GB, therefore shrink that one, and now you will get exactly 10 GB here, and it is unallocated, that therefore you should click on that one, right click on that one, and you have new simple volume, click on that one, and simple you will get volume wizard. Now just press next and next and next and next. Everything should be default, don't worry about any setting, and finally you should click on finish, and now you have like 10 GB, and when I will come in my main drive, you will get like E drive, and it is new volume. Now we will just copy all these files. It depends on your file, like how many GB you have, and you should copy that one in the next drive, and I have like 3 GB. It will not take much time, but if you have like a lot of file and a lot of memory, then it may take a few minutes to few hours, therefore you should wait for that one. Okay, you can see that now the file has been copied, and we will go back. Why we are copying that file from D drive to E drive? Because we are going to shrink that one, and from the previous video I already said that you can just expand C drive from the D drive, and you should format completely that one. Without formatting you cannot extend C drive from D drive. Now what we are going to do, for example, I will come in disk management right now, and we are going to delete that one, but make sure that you have completely copy all your data from that D drive to E drive. Maybe the drive later could be changed for you, but don't worry, you should just copy the old drive to the new drive. Now I'm going to delete that one, and for that one we are going to delete volume. You have two options, like delete volume and format, but you should delete volume. Now I'm going to delete volume, and we are going to say, it will also warn you that deleting this volume will erase all data. We have already copied it to E drive, but we don't worry, and say continue. And now you will see that you have unallocated file, and here you have like C drive. You should click on C drive, and you are going to get extend volume and continue, and you are going to extend that one, continue and finish. Now you can see that we have 455 GB of memory, and when I will come in main drive, and as you can see that that is not as much like that one. When I'm going to refresh that one, you will see that now we have 413 GB, and that is completely simple procedure, and we have just extended D drive, the volume of D drive to C drive, and we have new drive which is E drive. I hope you got the idea that how we are going to extend without software the memory or space from the D drive to the C drive. And if you like that video, just thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, just write that in comment box below. Thank you everyone.